Welcome everyone. This is Karen from the Algo Hub. We are with Sean and Hamish, who have just developed a wonderful app on the Reach Hackathon on the Algorand platform. And we are looking at a decentralized social media app. Hamish, tell me a little bit about your app.
So broadly speaking, we were looking to have been looking at developing social media platform based on the Algorand blockchain, so that decentralized social media, because obviously in a hackathon you have a very short time frame. We did only we concentrated on part of that project, so we developed a messaging program, so individual and group messaging, so peer-to-peer messaging using the blockchain, so people are individually able to create their own groups and send messages to each other.
That's great. And so in terms of why do we need a decentralized social media app?
Well, for me, a big part of it is controlling your own destiny. I've always said to people when they ask something like this, it's like, if you're not paying to use the product, you are the product, and you cannot get anything out of some of these other more broadly freely available platforms. So I thought a wider platform, and obviously the plan is in the future to expand out from just the messaging. You can control your own data, who gets to see it, and if you want to monetize it, you can monetize it as well, and you're actually making the money out of it, not sharing that money with somebody else.
That's a great idea. And Sean, how have you found building that project?
Yeah, it's been great. Like when I first heard of like blockchain tech, that was kind of the first thing that kind of came to mind was yeah, just being able to decentralize like all the social media apps and things like that. And yeah, but yeah, I jumped on it, saw Hamish wanted to build that, and yeah, it was good to build it.
Fantastic. And Sean, you've come to us from Deakin University's degree. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, so I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Information Technology and majoring in cybersecurity and programming. I did a little bit of programming out of school, but yeah, most of it I started in the last sort of few years when I started my degree. And this was the first time I've done any kind of blockchain development. And I did a little bit of like sort of direct programming on Algorand the first few weeks of my internship. And yeah, I found after working on that, Reach was definitely a lot easier to sort of understand.
Fantastic. So Hamish, what's your plan for the social media DApp going forward?
So now that we've finished the hackathon and developed our first part of the application and program, the plan is to build that out further and add extra features like a blogging platform and picture sharing, all sorts of things, one step at a time. But yeah, it was just good to be able to get the foundation started and something as a minimum viable product through the program.
Congratulations, guys, on finishing the program, and I look forward to working with you guys in the future on the Reach platform and on Algorand to grow the social media DApp.
Thank you.
Thanks.